Here is how you can go to the next line in the Excel on the iPhone. So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, I'm gonna get inside of the official Excel app like this, and I might be inside of a project, whatever. And there are a few things you should know. Of course, you can click on it as such. So select a cell where you want to make some changes. I can click on the text field below and I can type in whatever I want. And I have a few buttons. I have the arrows so I can move between the cells horizontally, and I also have the kind of like enter key right there, but it moves me to the cell below. So that's how I can quickly move around them. However, if you want to create another line within one cell, that's what you need to do. So as you can see, I can type stuff in like an example like this, right? And I should be able to click on the cursor to initiate some other things, right? So if I hold down, it should pop up and give me some options above it, right? A lot of times it doesn't work, but the options are definitely there. So you can see I have the first text example, then I'm gonna type in, I don't know, another word, test, which I'm gonna select by double clicking, right? And as you can see, I have some options which do show up. So I have the select all, cut, copy, and also new line right there. So I'm gonna click on new line. Right, so okay, let me redo it again. Click on a new line, and as you can see, it moved me below. Right, and it's, as you can see, it doesn't really work. I cannot really get it to show me the option to go to the next line like this. So I always have to kind of like type in a random word, select it, and then click on a new line, and that's how I can move in between the lines within one cell, which is not ideal. Like, I'm running the latest version of Excel on the iPhone, and seemingly this is the only way to create a new line, but yeah, that's how I personally use it. So hopefully I was able to guide you through it, and that's how it does work currently. And if anything changes, I'll definitely make an updated video about it, so stay tuned for that, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.